Hello everyone, I hope you're finally doing great. So in this video, we learn about how to create Amazon sponsored brand video ads. So you need to log into Amazon account and click on Campaign Manager and click and you will have see this interface. Choose your campaign type, sponsored brands. Okay, and first of all, you need to select the goal of your campaign. So here are three goals: drop drive page visit, grow brand impression share, and reserve share of files. So we will be discussing drive how we can drive page visits to the store and landing page and detail page. So you need to have a campaign name nomenclature as we did in the previous campaign. In the same way, we can have campaign name manual video campaign for hair towel. So budget $20 you can set a $10 based on your budget. Okay, ad group name you can keep the same campaign name and add as well. If you are just targeting one keyword, I would prefer to one target keyword as well. So in the ad formats, we have a collection, store spotlight, and video. We want to run a video ad for so to promote the products. So we'll use the video section so we can add the video. But this is used like to promote your brand and products. Store spotlight can be used to promote your product categories or pages within your brand store on Amazon. So for store spotlight, you need to have a storefront available on your Amazon. And unfortunately, on this account, there is no storefront available, so we cannot create this ad. But at least even for to create this ad, you know, your store on Amazon must have four or more pages, and each page must have one or more unique products in that to create store spotlight campaigns. And for the collection campaign, like you can display a collection of products relevant to the shopper interest, and then you can start that. In that collection type can be automatic and manual as well. Uh, so you can choose manual as well, in which you can add at least you need to add at least three products to advertise. At least you need three products in collection format to run this ad. So if you are doing that, but in this case we will be doing only video. So let's talk about how we can do the video ads to the drive traffic to the listing. So in this way, and we will, if you wanted to drive a traffic to Amazon storefront, you can choose a storefront, but there is no storefront. So we will choose product detail page, the listing, so, and we add here. You can add the product for which you wanted to add the video. Ad setting in ad name, you can make like towel ad. You can give towel video. In this here, you can add video. So here you can add your video. So you need to have a video. You can see the video guidelines also are important to follow. So make sure your video also according to the Amazon guideline and must be less than 45 second as well. And also it needs to be in landscape format. And Amazon will show your ads on desktop and mobile as well, on top of the page as well, alongside as well, and within the product pages on the as well. And the next you can choose the targeting or type keyword targeting or product targeting. It's the same targeting as you can see in the previous video we have discussed. In the sponsor product also available keyword targeting and product targeting. So for video ad you can also choose keyword targeting and product targeting. In keyword targeting you can target keywords like exact match, phrase, broad keyword targeting. You can target for hair table, you want to run ad on in exact match, you can target. If you want to do a phrase match, you can do that as well. For broad as well. In the same way, you can do for product targeting as well, in which you can target products, categories, and brands as well. So let's talk about how we can do the keywords targeting. The keyword targeting, let's say I want to do only the exact campaign, exact keyword campaign. I can do that. I can enter my list of keyword here. Hair towel. I add here in the exact. Amazon also this is suggested. Amazon also suggests you keyword least relevant to your product. If you think you see, you can look into that, and I can add keyword as well, whichever is relevant. So sometimes these are helpful as well. You can create separate campaign for trusted keyword as well. So, and then if you want to target for the phrase campaign, you can uncheck this, and you can save way in the same way you can do the phrase match. You just only have to change the match type, and you can create campaign for this. Negative keyword targeting, if you have any keywords on which you don't want your ads to appear, you can add here in the form of negative exact and negative phrase as well. If in the same do not increase speeds, you can select cost control. If you want to control, keep the control cost average per click. You can set this, otherwise you can uncheck this as well. And after that, you just need to launch the campaign as submit for. I cannot save as draft because I have not edited the video. So you can add the video and create the campaign. So that's how you can create the video campaign simply. Simply, you need to quick brief. You need to select up your goal, drive page wizard, add campaign name, budget, ad group, select video type, product tail page, add product listing. After that, add video. Keyword, select the keyword targeting, add the keyword, choose your desired match type, uh, add active keywords, and submit for review. Amazon will review your video ads after you submit this campaign. So make sure to keep checking on close eye on that, say if Amazon approve your ads or not, because Amazon sometimes can reject your video ad as because of the video if it does not comply with Amazon guidelines. So let me know if you have any confusion facing any issue while getting pin. You can let me know in the comments. Thank you.